Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now it is 8:49 p.m. and I know I look a little crazy right now. I just had a shower, I just put my hair mask in, whatever. I just got my magic keyboard. It just came about 10 minutes ago, so I'm really excited to unbox it. As if you can see, I unboxed my 2020 11-inch iPad Pro, and I explained that I was gonna get the keyboard. Let's just unbox it. I will say it is heavy. It is a little heavy. I was expecting much heavier because of all of the unboxing, all the reviews. They're like, oh my god, it's so heavy. It's heavier than a MacBook Pro. And I'm like, I don't think it is. And I think it's heavy if you get the 12.9 inch. I don't know. Most of the reviews I see, and most people do have the 12.9 inch version of this. Okay. So this is the case. So we got more peeling to do. It does have a nice texture to the case. I've never had an Apple case before on any device. I would always get like third-party accessories or whatever. So I'm really excited to try this out. This is hard to open. It is. So, information. Wow, and this is the case. Wow, it is actually stunningly beautiful. Just sounds amazing. So this is my iPad right now. This is just in a regular trifold case, so we're just gonna pop it in. This is my iPad. Beautiful. Actually has Sleeping Beauty's castle, and it is in Disneyland Paris. If you guys want me to do a what's on my iPad video, I can totally do that. It's supposed to just magnetize onto the thing, so. Ooh. Yeah. It is heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be with the iPad on. It's not extremely heavy. To be honest, it feels the exact same as if you had a laptop case on a MacBook. Backlit keyboard is nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's see if I can type something. Okay, so I'm gonna do a screen recording for you. So I'm just gonna move over to the side a bit, and I can just show you how to use the trackpad. Okay, so I will say the trackpad, you have to get used to it. It's kind of weird, but it's pretty cool. So just gonna go, you can go click on any app that you want. Go to Apple. Okay. Command H to go home, so you don't need to press the escape key. Let's see, notes. Hi. Wow, I can't type right now. I can't type. Hi. On my magic keyboard. Okay, so I will say this. Since the keyboard is much smaller, your nails are definitely gonna feel. If you have long nails like I do, it will feel weird typing on it for the first time. I would have to just get used to it, so it's not a big thing, but it's pretty cool. I like this so far. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna go to my settings, because I like to tap to click my keyboard. I don't like, I mean, I like to type to click my trackpad keyboard. What the hell am I talking about? Okay, tap to click. Okay, so let's see if that works. Okay, well, that didn't work. Let's see. Okay, so let's go back to notes. Okay, so it works on the apps. Okay, so that works better. Okay. This is probably like the worst unboxing video you've ever seen. Okay. Yeah, that's all I have to say right now. I just got it, so I'm gonna just give it a couple of days to play around with it and see what's happening. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.